All right, Shalom. First and foremost, I want to start off by giving all praises and glory and honors to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Harakah Kodash, and double honors to the apostles and elders of Great Millstone who rule well. Peace and blessings and citations to the hopeful elect, the Bayat Awadah, the house of David. So a lot of things has been popping up lately, right, about the MOTB, which is the mark of the beast, Revelation 13, 16 to 18, right? But we're going to start up here. First and foremost, let's go ahead and get that scripture, right? And then I got a quick video that I want to play for you, brothers. You know, we're just going to end it right there. So this is Revelation 13 and 14. It says, and deceiveth them that dwell on the earth by the means of those miracles which he had power to do in the sight of the beast, saying to them that dwell on the earth that they should make an image to the beast which had this wound by a sword and did live. First and foremost, let's go get this here real quick. In the book of Habakkuk, right? Habakkuk, the second chapter, right? In the third verse, it says, for the vision is yet for an appointed time, but at the end it shall speak and not lie. Though it tarry, wait for it, because it will surely come and it will not tarry. See, and this thing is not tarrying, man. Okay, it's not tarrying. So let's get back into Revelation 13 and let's go to 15. Right? It says, and he had power to give life unto the image of the beast, that the image of the beast should both speak and cause that as many as would not worship the image of the beast should be killed. Right? Concentration camps. You see? They have torture rooms, guillotines, tripping centers, and everything of that nature in there, man. Okay? Revelation 13 and 16 now it says, and he causeth all, both small and great, rich and poor, free and bond, to receive a mark in their right hand or in their foreheads, and that no man might buy or sell, save he that had the mark or the name of the beast or the number of his name. Here is wisdom. Let him that haveth understanding count the number of the beast, for it is the number of a man, and his number is 666. Now let's go on and play this video for you, brothers. Right? So it says, printed artificial neurons connected with real brain cells. You see? So these things is going on, man. Printed artificial neurons, man. All right? So let's play the video, and then we're just going to close.
Well, engineers at Northwestern University in Illinois have created printed artificial neurons that can directly interact with real brain cells, which also marks a step towards electronics that can very much communicate with the nervous system. The flexible, low-cost devices produce electrical signals that closely resemble those generated by living neurons. This allows the artificial neurons to activate biological brain tissue rather than just simulating neural activity. In experiments using slices of mouse brain, the printed artificial neurons successfully triggered responses in real neurons too. The finding demonstrates a new level of compatibility between electronic devices and living neural systems. Researchers say the breakthrough could help advance brain-machine interfaces, and that is designed to restore the technology that's designed to restore lost functions. Such technology could one day support implants as well that can help restore hearing, vision, or movement too. The development also points to a new generation of brain-inspired computing where hardware mimics how neurons communicate. The approach could very much enable complex computing tasks while using far less energy than today's systems. The human brain remains the most energy-efficient computing system known, with scientists hoping to apply its principles to future technology too. Scientist Mark Hersom, who led the study, said, and I quote, "The way you make AI smarter is by training it on more and more data. This data-intensive training leads to a massive power consumption problem. Therefore, we have to come up with more efficient hardware to handle big data and AI. This could bring machines one step closer to thinking like the human brain."
All right, so there you have it, as it says, future brain implant technology. All right. That's the BCI, the brain computer interface. Right? So with that, we're just going to close up. We're going to give all praises, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Harakah Kodash, and double honors to the apostles and elders of Great Millstone and Ruel. Peace and blessings and citations to the hopeful elect, the Bayath Dawadah, the house of David, Kwame Sha'Allah, Abba Ball, Shalom.